Hello Techies, welcome back to the channel. My name is Krishna and I'm a big data ETL tester. So today I'm going to get you more of SQL queries. Last time we discussed till 85th question. Today we're going to start with 86th question. So let's get started. So I said in the 85th questions we will have to have joins. So if you are interested, please comment joins. I will make a video specially on the different types of joins, and then I will solve this question. So this will become easier. Or else if you see a complicated question at this point in time, so you'll not be able to solve the 200 questions. I'm not discussing this 85th question. So please comment. So we'll start with 86 question. Display those employees whose name contains not less than 4 characters. Select. So before I start, there are two tables that we are mostly working on. That is select star from EMP. This is going to be a table that I have already told that we should be writing the database name dot the schema name dot the table name. That is schema name. I'm not writing the database name because I have only one database connected to this dbeaver. I'm writing the schema name. Schema name is scott.emp. So always do this, and then control enter is to run this particular query. So that's why control enter, or you can select this and click here to run the query. And the next table is select star from scott.dept. Control enter, so you get this data. So these two are the main tables, and then there is a third table called as set star from scott.salgrade. These three are the main tables that we are working on, and these three are the tables we're going to use joins, set operators, and different other SQL concepts to learn and to solve the problems. So coming to the 86th question, display those employees whose name contains not less than 4 characters. So select star from EMP. I'm just writing EMP because I have configured this dbeaver only to accept data from only from this particular database and this particular schema. So that is why I'm not writing schema name. So it is a good practice to write the schema name. So please, whenever you are practicing, write the schema name and then practice. So select star from EMP, where there is a function called as length, which is a character function, length of ename. So length of ename should be contains not less than 4 characters. So it should be greater than 4, at least 4 and greater than 4. So all the 14 are coming. Not less than 4, that means 4 characters. And so let me just to check if it is working fine. Yes, I just kept greater than 4 and I have only getting 11 records. Okay, so this is how it is, but the question asks not less than 4 characters. That means should be 4 characters or more than 4 characters. Okay, on the 87th question, display those department whose name starts with S. Select star from DEPT, where select star from DEPT those department whose name starts with S. Starts with S while the location ends with O. Okay, so let me check the department details first. So I'm just checking the department details so that I can find out which all record should come as the output. So starts with S, department name is sales, while the location ends with O. The location ends with O is Chicago. So where the name like double quote modulus starts with S and then anything, and location like ends with O, so double quote modulus and O, so semicolon, control enter. Go 0. invalid identifier. Let's run this first. I'm sorry. Modulus S, and this will be single quote. I'm sorry, I'm learning some programming language, and that is why I'm using double quotes. So SQL we have to use single quote. And if you want to know more update which all languages I'm learning, what am I learning, so please comment and ask. Maybe in coming videos I will try to make what am I learning, so that might help you. So here should be single quotes and not double quotes, sorry, my mistake. So display the department whose name starts with S. See here, starting S. So starts with S and then ends with anything, I don't care. So starts with S and then modulus, and here the location ends with O, so O should end. Anything before that is fine. Okay, anything before that is fine. So modulus means anything before that. Display those employees whose manager name is Jones. Select star from EMP, where let's find what is the employee number. See, what am I going to do is, here we need to have a self join. Either we can do it by self join, or we can do it by sub-queries. Okay, so let me write what is the employee number from EMP, where e name. Why am I doing it? I'll just explain. E name is Jones. Jones should be capital. Yeah. When I write this, let me just get the e name also. Okay, see here, Jones employee number is 7566. So here in our employee table, if you see, if you select, okay, you see here we have employee number and we have manager number. We don't have manager name, so we cannot directly compare by Jones. So we have to take Jones employee number and check if that is available in manager. Okay, so you are getting the concept. So what am I trying to say is, in this employee table we have employee number, and see, Smith employee number is 7369, but his manager's employee number is this here, MGR 7902. Who is 7902? Ford. Smith manager is Ford. Okay, see here, his manager employee number is 7902, and see, Ford's employee number is 790. That means Ford is the manager of Smith. But here in this particular row I don't have Ford anywhere, so I cannot directly compare by manager name. To compare it by employee number, that is manager's employee number, which is written in this column. So what I have to do, I have to find out. So this I am finding out Jones employee number. So I found out Jones employee number. Jones employee number is 7566. So if I see in the here 7566, where is 7566 is here. 7566 means Scott is basically reporting to Jones. So that means Jones is the manager of Scott. So I should be getting output as Scott and not Jones. I should be getting output as Scott. So to get the output as Scott, what I have to do is select star from EMP, where MGR in, I have to write this particular subquery. MGR in select MGR in this. Yeah, since I'm passing two column names and I'm taking one column name, that's why it is a problem, and the column name doesn't match. So here in this particular subquery, I'm trying to get the employee number of Jones, and Jones, whose manager is Jones. So Jones is the manager of whom I should know. So here I'm trying to compare the employee number with MGR. This means the employee which comes here, his manager is Jones. His or her manager is Jones. So obviously Ford and Scott, these two are the people whose manager is Jones. So here if you see, Jones employee number is 7566. So here MGR and Ford and Scott. So basically Ford and Scott are reporting to Jones. Ward and Scott are reporting to Jones. Do let me know, guys, if you still have any doubts. I will try to explain it in a better way. Please comment your questions and doubts, so it will be helpful for me to understand if you are understanding or not. And thank you. And let's go to the next question. Display those employees whose salary is more than 30,000 after giving 20% increment. Okay, so that's some expressions. Select star from EMP. Let's do the normal where salary started 3,000. Okay, where sal is greater than 3,000. Okay, sal is greater than 3,000. This only employee which is president. Okay, let me see how many employees are there. So if you see 3,000 is only analyst who's greater than 3,000. Okay, so salary is greater than 3,000 after giving 20% increment. So what I can do is here I can write sal plus sal into 0.30, 30%, right? So let me do this. 30,000 increment, give 30,000 increment. The total value after this calculation, the total value should be greater than 3,000. Now you see a lot of employees are coming. So what if you want, I can mention here name, comma, the salary, and then comma mention the increment value also. This increment value I just mention it here. That it gives a clear picture of the comparison of the salaries here. Actual salary was this, but after increment of 30,000, right? Incremented salary. Okay, so if you see Jones, their actual salary was less than 3,000, but let's okay. So if you see here, so if I'm getting a decimal value, I can round off or round. Yes, yeah, no. Right, the decimal value is out. So here if you see, select name sal and round off, and then particular of this. So this is what is increment. See sal and this. So if you, I mean, if this looks complicated, I would suggest you can write it in any way, because my way of calculation is like sal into anyway 1.3, right? Because anyway we are taking sal once and then incrementing. So if I just do this also, the value remains same, everything remains same. Okay, I mean that's the way of calculation. If this makes more sense, please use this. If this makes more sense, please use this. Any of this is fine. Okay, doesn't matter anyways. Oh sorry, yeah, giving 20% increment. Okay, sorry, this 20% increment. The same applies here. Yeah, the output does change. It is 10% here, there. Okay. So anyways, I'll write both the queries both ways. So the values don't change, so see this output and this output are both the same. Okay. So you can use any of this. It is only the calculation change. Everything, all other logic is same. Display all employees with their department names. Okay, here comes a little bit of simple of inner join, that is eqjoin also. So here I will just write select name all employees with their PPT number, comma e dot d name. So and from the name from EMP DEPT, where here e dot name dot EPT number, and where e dot EPT number equal to e dot EPT number. Okay, your no, okay, perfect. So here employee number, department number, and department name. Display all employees with their department name. So this is perfect. So I'll just write the same query in a different way. Okay, don't get distracted. So here I'm taking e name from the employee table and a department number from employee table and department name from department table. We don't have a department name in employee table, so that's why I'm taking department name from department table. Okay, that is why see here, if I see employee is an alias name that I'm giving, so that I don't want to write emp. So if e name, where from which table am I taking? I'm taking from employee table, so that's why I'm mentioning as e. Or what I can do is I can write this emp also here. That should not be a problem, but since I just want to make it shorter, so I just am writing e, which I have already declared from employee. Okay, so if you need more details of how alias names can be used, how to create variables like this, and then please comment in the comment box. I'll try to make videos on that also. Okay, and and department D, and what am I doing? I am doing on inner join on the department number. Obviously the department number of employee table should be equal to the department number of department table, so that is how the join will happen. So that is why I'm doing the join on department number. Okay, the same thing, let me write it. If you have understood the ed everything, then that's very good. If not, please comment. I will try to make emp eve inner join dpt on. So here this is another way of writing, where I'm writing inner join in between this. So some people like writing like this, some people like writing like this. I mostly prefer writing like this, but if a junior or somebody is not able to understand, so I write like this. On e dot dpt number equal to d dot dpt number. Everything remains same. So if you see, I'll just mention as inner join so this is inner join, this is equal to same. I'm just writing so that to make a difference. So when I'm writing this is equal to, directly where clause and equal to. Okay, this is where clause and equal to. So this is how the output is. The output remains the same, exactly remains the same. See here, exactly remains the same. The right inner join or right equal to remains the same, just remains the same. So if you want detailed video of the joins, please comment in the comment box. I'll try to come up with a video, with a very long video explaining everything in practical with examples, with the data set. We will play around with the data set and get the output. Okay, we have solved a few questions and we have reached 90 questions. So 91st question I will start in the next video. And thank you for watching. If you want to talk to me, guys, please the link in the description box. You can arrange a one-on-one session with me and we can discuss about anything that you want to learn and anything you want to talk to me about. And please do subscribe to my channel and please like the video if you like it. And also there are links of my Instagram handle and Telegram group link is also there. Telegram channel that I have created recently, that is just 1 or 2 days back. So please join that Telegram channel. A lot of updates will be coming in that particular Telegram channel. The link of the Telegram channel, the link of the Instagram handle, on Instagram I want to come up with more reels on technical content. So this is a different Instagram apart from my normal basically my personal Instagram. So that Instagram I might make it personal, and but this will be a public Instagram page, basically Instagram handle for me, so which will be Techie Krishna Kayaking. Please follow me on Instagram. Techie Krishna Kayaking. And also please follow me on LinkedIn. And if you want to talk to me, please book a one-on-one session. We can discuss anything that you want. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.